You're gonna slide.
Good morning to you. We're there. Today's a very special day. We were supposed to go to a hotel for Alyssa's birthday.
To the grill.
However, plans has been cancelled
because
Alyssa got explain. Hold on. Before Alyssa explain, where I get the kids ready, specifically Ajari. Yo, you wanna watching TV, man? You pass man TV for. Play it. Oh, I see it. Ajari. Look at Indian boy. Youth. What's up, buddy? You nobody no mind.
He's seen the phone.
Oh, you man that even look for me dive up on my phone. Here, Akili out there so.
And in here.
So I think I hit this as a
Aww.
But yeah, you wanna explain? Come.
Morning, y'all.
The sun now shine properly for you.
So good morning. So anyways, yeah, so the reason why oh, that did sound like it. So the reason we didn't end up going to the grill to our hotel was because 2 days before we were supposed to go, Ajari started acting up. Like so I started giving Ajari a bottle because I was exclusively breastfeeding him. I started giving him a bottle maybe.
By the way, he's 10 months now.
Yeah. So I say he's 10 months.
Yeah, because he's still on breast.
So people...
He's doing good.
Okay. I thought you meant... I thought it was a negative way.
No, I didn't do breast milk for probably 1 week and I'm done,
yeah. So, basically, I've been trying to give him a bottle for the past 3 months. And then, all of a sudden, 3-4 weeks ago, he started taking it. So, I was like, perfect. So, he started taking 1 or 2 bottles a day. And then 2 days before we went to the grill, he just, stopped taking it. So, I'm like... this is kind of, so I knew something was up, right? And usually when he gets if as a mother or a father, you'll know when your child's getting sick or something. So I said, something's up. Why are you looking at me like that?
Okay, you just slightly, or as a father, like me, a secondary.
I was saying in general. I don't know if a father's going to know certain stuff like feelings.
Certain father, okay. He's a father.
Okay, sorry.
He's not.
I'm just saying in general, mothers know certain things fathers don't. I'm just saying. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, so then it was one day before us going to the grill, and he started really sticking on to me. He's just crying. He got a fever.
Yes.
So then I was like, okay, I have to reschedule. I'm like, there's no way, especially because his grandma doesn't know much about how to handle him too. I didn't want to leave him with a fever. No, he's not taking a bottle, and she doesn't know how to handle him like that. So I reschedule, but yeah, that's the reason. But today, we're going to Appleton Estate Rum Tour.
Yes, man.
I'm excited for that. I'm excited because...
Have you ever been there before?
No.
I've been there once on a school trip.
Yeah?
Yeah, but that was it. So
that was a while back.
Yeah,
and things probably changed now. Things changed, most definitely. So yeah, I'm excited because it's going to be mine and Adrian's first time going out in a very long time.
Yes, so let's do
I'm
this.
excited.
Alyssa got a jar ready. One thing I can I'm gonna get this boy ready. So shout out to the hair guru, You see me, Pinky, the hair guru. Watch your face, dirty. For fixing up my boy, give him that nice box braid. You see me?
Box braid.
Yeah, relax there, you. So I'm brushing teeth right now. I'm gonna get ready for leave out soon. Let's see. Stop the mic, guy. Sheesh. Alright, let's go.
A little.
Dry your hand.
Gosh, Dad.
Alright, so ready for the road and mama there so make our baby buckle. This should have been done from last night, but
Fresh bottles, come on.
and I teach my nephew how to make buckle. You ready for this, right?
No, but he should still know in case.
Just ready for eating.
Listen, if whatever Jari's giving trouble, and your mom has to hold him, and you can't, you know?
Progress, I say, yo, bro, I'm Fortnite. I'm not for no.
Yeah, he's like, bro, this is not what I signed up for the summer. Right now, we're in Christiana. We just went to deal with some stuff, and now we're on our way to the Appleton Rum Tour. It closed at 3:30. We're running a little bit behind. Hopefully we can get in and get through. If not, we're going to go to YS Falls and enjoy ourselves there. It is hot. I am hot. Yeah. I am hot. So I'm just waiting for Adrian. He's just doing something, and then we're going to leave out. Got some patties. Got some cheese patty. I don't know if I can show you guys. I haven't eaten breakfast all day, so this is my breakfast. Or should I say brunch? So I'm gonna eat this and a drink, and then we're gonna go on our way. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, how do you feel about driving on these roads?
Good, no.
Yeah, more confident. Yeah.
When I drive my own vehicle there, it's like, you know, want if you lick up a rental or. I couldn't be just there in Canada. I go get my license.
Took your time.
I tell you, say, so once I get my license, I know I can drive.
Yeah, yeah.
And so once I get a car for myself in Jamaica, like, I now go, and if I drive too slow, I find I don't drive as good. I don't drive reckless fast.
No.
But I go at a good pace because I control my car better. So I go through myself. No people that say so, oh,
yeah,
so
no, it's very tight. I would have been panicking right now.
No. From I get the car, I just, I not worry if nothing from take, God forbid, I just fix it for my time.
Yes.
Not saying I want nothing wrong with it, but it make me drive more confident because 100%. I know say I feel my vehicle, you see me? Yeah man, the road natural. I want to never want to get dog, and it's a left hand drive. Because left hand drive, it don't make no sense for the road. Everything alright.
Yeah, yeah.
So you don't want a left hand drive. I'm not gonna say you can't have one in Jamaica. It's cheaper, but it don't make no sense to have a left hand drive a yard like that. You have to be a good driver
to really rearrange everything.
Some people tear off their car when they have run out corner.
Oh, cause yeah.
That's a left hand, you know what I'm saying? They don't judge it right.
I didn't think of that.
Yeah, they don't estimate it right. And just differently too, left hand driving car. Just for all the people out there who saw the video when we get the car and thing. If you buy a vehicle and plan to sell it back anytime soon, because I know some people don't keep a car for more than a year or two. Left hand drive hard to sell at Jamaica. You see me?
Yep.
Those cars are harder to resell. Yeah man. So you want to go with right hand because the country is basically right hand drive. You come like you did overseas in North America drive a right hand car. It don't make no sense.
That's true.
Yeah. But yeah man, I love it man. Step on the road fully confident, you know?
Yep.
As I go through all the road I feel maga. I come from watching the night man. Darren I say yo, how may I see through them a fog ya? So I don't know.
You've been driving for a long time, so.
Yeah man. Yeah, 7 years now.
Yeah, me for 8. I've been driving a year more than you, and I'm not as good as you.
7 years man.
But then again, you did Uber, you did a lot of driving. You do a lot of driving.
Really helped me out with knowing Canada. Yeah. And then driving.
Especially in bad weather.
Yo. Yeah. Snow driving. Good fun that, you know. As I'm saying, I'm not perfect, but can handle myself quite well on these
Winston Zone Highway.
Yeah. Come on in there, man. No way, man. Nobody know daddy.
I saw that sometimes. Ooh. You're going over people and going into potholes.
See, next car with the rent. Can't do that, you know?
Yo, we put on D2 or DS?
Sport mode or whatever.
D Sports. Okay.
Put it in a sport mode.
Alright, so we're on our way, same ways. Hopefully you reach it before 2 o'clock because 3:30 closes.
What time is it now?
12:59.
Okay, 1:30 I gotta reach it.
Yeah, so as long as we get there before, I don't know when the last tour is. I don't know when the last tour is. Maybe they close at 3:30, but the last tour, I don't know. They have different kind of tours. So I will give you guys an update on how the tour was, how we went about it, if you need local ID, what the price is, and all that stuff. So we'll give you guys an update on that because I had a hard time trying to even call them. Because every time I called them, they would No, I know you're not putting me in danger, but it's still scary. So don't do that. I don't even want you out like that anymore. You cussed me out too many times. We had too much arguments about me being a pilot driver. What is it? A co-pilot.
Yeah, like you just doing a car, yeah. Oh, brakes. Not that sitting there.
Yes. So I will give you guys an update when we get to Appleton Tour, and I'll let you guys know. We might be going to YS Falls as well since it's close by, and meet up, like I told you guys, with Devere and Debbie. So,
hopefully. Off me right now.
Yeah. So stay up to date, and you guys will see what's poppin'. I was like, where are you going? Okay.
Right side. Yeah.
I'll show you guys the view. Enjoy the view. Enjoy the calm music if it's calm.
Bro.
I need pothole. Ah. Pothole. That did not sound good.
Jesus Christ.
So we went in a pothole. It jacked up big time.
We look on the back and pothole are dirty. Don't do that.
1 second, let me take out this dirty bug.
That pothole, you know what? One metal around the back. If you draw the car, I hit normally to save the bonnet. Because I tell you, them pothole are dirty.
You better to listen out because it might have popped the tire.
You don't pop it, man. You don't pop it. But them pothole, they look shallow from a distance. But when you drop in at them,
no, that's why I said, ah!
Come like a soup pot.
My warnings are terrible, honey. There's a pot.
Oh. You know what? This slight little 1 second, I go and look right there.
Yeah. Anything can happen. So I say
1 second, I look away and look up and so drop in a one. God. That was nasty.
That was bad. That was deep. And you haven't really been on this road to really know too much.
What, man?
Alright. See you guys soon.
So we've reached our destination. We're about to tour out the place. You know the thing, huh? Alyssa is getting dressed up and ready.
I'm just refreshing. It's nice, you guys, and it's not too hot right now, so if we go outside, that'd be nice.
So outside, yeah. But I can't really hear you because it's nice. How you feel?
I'm excited. I'm excited. I haven't been out so long, you guys, so this is very exciting.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's just nice. They do a 360 spin.
At least I want to do a 360 in the property, you know?
So you guys know how it looks.
Yeah. So if you've never been here before, this is what you should expect. Stand up right yourself. Yeah. Wind is heavy outside. We should try go inside and tap the picture. Brother, move from your sign then you to do. Brother, free up a sign for me then. Beg of your sign, my general. Beg of your sign, please. Thanks. How you mean? Respect. There you go, hold the camera for them from there.
Ooh, looking nice.
Give me portrait and regular.
I got you.
Alright, go on and run, my friend.
Then you make your way on it. When we get ready to you right at the window.
Oh, do we need a mask?
No, it's optional.
Okay.
So there we have a waiver form, you read that anytime.
And this should pay for the tour in there?
Yes. So
okay.
We get registered to you right at the window. The restrooms are to your left if you need them.
Okay.
And after you register, you head on to the bar for your complimentary drink.
Okay,
then you have a seated tour guide come for you.
In terms of the vlog, the camera. There is a camera inside?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
Alright, thanks. Did we on one party from yeah. On one party, what do the rules say about this? Answer, look on the camera now.
I have to make sure.
I would have read this.
No, I didn't read it.
So we're done already. So how will we know that it's our group? They'll just come and...
We're going to go over to the bar and have a drink, and we right here to go get it from here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Get my.
Right here, guys.
That's it?
Did you get a receipt?
Oh, we'll put what it is.
Did you get the receipt? Okay.
I
Just.
can show them at the bar the receipt.
No. I just like for ourselves.
Yes, thank you.
Put that in the business thing.
So how it works so far. Once you come through the gate, you went and we sign up. You know what I say? Pay and then they get a complimentary drink at the bar. It's around 15-20 minutes. Then they'll come and get us on the tour comments. You see?
I think they have a gift shop, so I want to look in the gift shop as well.
Huh?
They have a gift shop. I want to look in the gift
Go
shop.
and buy Jamaica them something. I call it shirt. My Jamaican shirt. Jamaica Ajay.
Oh, how nice. Which one's which?
Rum punch. Stamp Valley.
Rum punch.
Stamp Valley with like ginger ale and things, eh?
Yeah. So try it. Let me see.
Huh?
Let's see. Try one. Strong.
I'm not consuming all it.
Let me try. There, I don't drink. So
Don't drink too much. Try that one the first.
this tastes nice.
That stamp that have the ginger ale in there. You should put ginger beer though. I think that have the bitters tonight. The rum punch. You taste the bitters? Mm-hmm. You don't like that one they don't?
What do you think?
That you gotta take.
Yeah.
I know. Take a shot.
You guys, this one's really good. I don't like ice in drinks because it hinders. But so far it's really nice. In here, it's nice in here.
So wait, we're not going there, right?
Yes, we're going to there.
Yes,
Oh, it's not time for drink then. Can you carry the drink with us?
okay. You said yeah?
Yeah. Can you carry the drink?
I think we're going, guys.
Alright, so we have a leave. We come just in time. Yeah. That's at the map of Jamaica.
Is this like an old map?
That just give more things in details. So you have the gift shops and everything. We've been here already, so I want you to observe the place, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Oh, that's the theater. So right now we're going to the theater to watch a quick documentary, I think it said.
Mm-hmm.
Like how the Acton Estate came.
So we're not recording this, so we're not recording this. So. A quick glance of what inside looks like. We're about to watch a small documentary. Yeah. Alright, so we made it here with the rain. Yeah. So we're suited up. Only thing I won't be booted up. Well, put on the overalls like you're ready to go operate. Probably. Most likely. They're not getting nobody else. Everything's fresh.
That'd be nice to have a souvenir.
They get one in the guy Niagara Falls?
Yeah.
Eh?
I think so, yeah.
Oh. So Alyssa suit up in a raincoat. Well, the shoes shouldn't be bad. Yeah, I don't know red mud around it.
Backwards?
Yeah. Just flip yourself, flip it. Got to Appleton, mommy. Cover your ear now. Never show the people your outfit for the day. Eh?
Yeah, disrespect.
Disrespect me, disrespect your ass?
Yeah.
Say work, mama.
Alright.
Put on your coat now.
Nice hoodie?
Your hoodie.
I think the blue compliments me.
Yeah. Make your tone look nice. Come like a condo.
What?
Oh, don't follow me, man. I room. Blame it on the spirits.
Okay, put on your thing before you step out there.
Shout out Jesus.
They should have a garbage out here, I'm assuming.
Use my phone too.
Okay, come. We're missing the dog. The. How much hands do you think I have? Hurry up. Hello, David. Come over here, honey. Honey.
So as he makes his way around, then inserts the cane and the juice gets extracted. Now from this method we can get 65 to 70% juice from the sugar cane. But the method that we use today, 98%.
This would be a nice place to take a picture.
Yeah, I'm done the tour. You should got cane on there, rich man.
Nice.
All, sir, all the cars, they look like this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, thanks.
It's starting to rain, you guys. Look at the.
Fox Arena, Fox Arena. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool any place, you know?
Well, it wasn't even that hot before, right?
Remember some day, I know.
Oh, yeah.
Samples of sugar cane.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, so I should have said this to you before. The important thing to remember, please do not swallow the trash. Start going down,
Yeah, you know that.
start coming.
I know that.
So bite it up, it's the juice that you swallow. Trash is what you spit out. Alright, now everyone, have a look at this, please. Have a look at this. What plant does it remind you of? Because sugarcane and bamboo, they come from the same family. Now, many persons believe that we only have one type of sugarcane on the island. We have many. Make a guess. Tell me how many types do we actually have? 20. Go up.
6.
100. 200. 329. Go up. 1,000. Go up.
What?
2,000. We have more than 2,000 types of sugarcane
Wow.
on the island.
Wow.
So just like how you can crossbreed animals, you can crossbreed sugarcane. So sweet, fresh, salty sugarcane, buttery sugarcane, and the list goes on and on. Now, is everybody familiar with the Black River or heard about it? Yep. So it's one of the longest rivers in Jamaica. The head of that river starts on this property. Now we're not able to bring you to the location, so what we did, we brought it to you. Alright, so before we start, this is our mill operator, Levon. Hi. Come on, hello Levon.
Hello, Levon.
Alright, so after 3, you will turn. So 1, 2, 3, go! Go, pack and pack. What's your head, Levon? Come on, a little more energy. Because right here is slippery. Okay. So they turn the mill, Levon inserts the cane, the juice gets extracted. You'll notice that he will dump the sugar cane, that's to get more juice content from it. Give them encouragement.
Woo-hoo, let's go.
No, almost there, man. You did a good job.
You got it. You got it.
Almost there.
Now you gotta stick his head up.
I think she's doing it now. This is the last one. Last one. Yes, she are right.
Good job. Woo, woo.
All the volunteers make your way all the way down.
Now if you want to call it donkey, we can do donkey.
Oh, that's very funny.
All right, go.
Let's go. Easy.
She's here. Remember the encouragement.
Oh, don't slip.
Yes.
Woo, woo. Let's go.
Put it all in there. Put it all in there.
Put it all in. Come on.
Oh,
you slip. You're gonna slide.
Encourage them. Yeah.
No running. Why is he running again? Just let go.
Almost there. Almost. Last one.
It's too strong.
Almost done.
All right. Alright, so volunteers, you get to take first.
Well, yeah, you hardly ate today.
That's my dear, I almost dropped to this.
I got you in camera. The vlog will love it.
I feel this,
I know, I'm just letting you hold it. Ooh. Come over here. Alright, so how did that feel?
Well, I'm just trying to stay away there.
He's spinning you around.
You know, come out now.
Huh?
You know, come with no. Wow, full of energy.
Was it like, could you feel the pressure of the cane when it was going through and everything? It was cool.
Now, when you do it on the opposite side for him. I'm strong still. Stay sweet, man. But I guess I like
I have so much.
I guess I love the experience of chewing the cane. You know? It's sweet, but it take away from the experience of chewing the cane.
Okay.
Battery are dead.
The battery's dying again?
Yeah. Alright, sorry. You say it's like sugar and water at this point. But when I eat it, when I have the husk, it's nice. The trash, or taste? I feel like it's sweeter when I eat it from the cane, you know? Give me garbage, Jim. Thank you. Too cool?
Sensitive, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Take a picture.
I wouldn't drink this on a daily.
No.
But.
Alright, so the makeup of sugar cane, 75% water, 10 to 16% sugars, 10 to 16% fibers. So you're basically drinking sugar and
Water. Next stop, molasses.
I'm having food them. I'm having food them. I'm not worried.
So we're looking at molasses right now.
Alright, so in Jamaica we call this wet sugar.
Here, hold this 1 second, my bag phone.
Molasses, the grains, that's the sugar. Rich in iron, vitamin B6 and B12.
Sweating underneath
for
this.
your nerves, a good energizer, and it has calcium. And the gentlemen, they call it liquid Viagra.
Stop it.
Alright, so how you will taste, I gave you spoons, place it underneath mine, but remember no double dipping. Right? As you get to taste, make your way around so others can get to try. It will mess up the place. That is okay. Right? So, anybody oh no. So this is different, but you can use it as a form of brownie.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, so I'm gonna try the molasses here. My mom used to give me molasses.
It tastes like sugar particles in
Yeah,
that
she used to
one.
give us molasses before we had track meets back in elementary school and high school.
Yeah.
So give us a little energy boost.
I know the camera are pretty. Put in a barbecue sauce, man. Strong. Strong.
Brought back memories.
I'm gonna take a video in here, so.
Now, how was the taste?
It was bitter and sweet. Yeah.
All right, now I know that not everybody will like the taste of this. You don't have to have it this way. Use it to make a barbecue sauce, browning on chicken, molasses cookies, Christmas cake, even jerk chicken or jerk pork. You can use this, right? So you don't have to have it like this. Now I know that you must be wondering, how did we get it here? Extract the juice, boil it until it becomes thick and until sugar crystals start to form. We don't want it as it is, so we pour it into the centrifugal basket. That will separate the molasses from the sugar. So molasses we keep to make rum, sugar we will export. So we do rum, we do sugar. If you're wondering about the sugar brand, it's brown sugar and it's called the Jamaica Gold. So that is apple sugar. It's in the supermarket.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, my sugar particles in there when I eat them.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, now we're done here.
Guys, I'm sweating, but this is so informative. I didn't know you can separate the sugar from the molasses.
Molasses, yeah. No, you see this is the raw molasses.
Yeah.
These are the.
Okay. Oh.
This is the raw molasses. That's how you find the sugar particles in there, right?
Okay, that makes sense.
The one you get in the supermarket purified.
Wait, record walking through.
Yeah.
How do I look?
Look good, man.
Lovely.
Yeah, sweat under that thing, yeah,
I am wet.
Yeah.
Good thing I didn't wear a full tracksuit.
Yeah, we better find a party to go and finish this outfit at that, I tell you. I'm going to choose your white shoes the worst time. Let's buy one shoes inside this.
Yeah.
Right here. Go over, and if you go over, you're right.
Don't be people gonna go out.
They're going to pay for coming now, my friend. Yeah, taxi. And green. Yeah, I said no pick off like me no pay for coming here. Part I tour.
No, no one said that was for complimentary.
But then sugar cane they use and not go off. Oh, a second tour that.
Let me stand right here.
You have my phone? I say it's a nice spot for lick a picture. Hold on. Alright, so we're heading in the factory, look at the mountains.
Okay guys, we're gonna go in the factory, we're gonna explore.
See all the barrels inside. Nice.
We're on the yellow brick road, you guys.
Yeah.
This is a nice wash reservoir. Do not drop the net, okay you guys?
Yeah. So it looks nice. Much acre land we here back in the video. But it's a lot.
11,000 square feet.
Yeah. It's a lot of land, man. It's a lot of land like Matalan. Can't record inside, so quick outside spin.
So we're out here. It's good. Oh, it's a good tour so far. I think we're almost done, but really good information. Sweating. Good thing I didn't wear much makeup.
Go on, man. Go on, Alyssa. Me show you before, girl.
Look at this.
Yes.
This is nice.
All rum. Every rum bum dream.
I don't like rum that much, but
My girl, you come on a rum tour, drink up. Drink, girl, drink up. And there you go. Beer rum and this, you know, thousands of bottles. If not hundreds, they are obvious. I say, go man, if you want somebody to do something, tell him if you don't do it. Yeah.
How long is the tour, Monica? Monica? Yeah. What duration I saw?
oh, what's she saying?
Come through, Lisa. Adrian's wife.
Yeah, you just got.
Yo, I just away the first today, you know. About a month now, my buy these shoes and have it put on.
Listen, I told him not to wear it And I told him to bring slippers just in case. But when you're stubborn, this is what happens.
I'm not stubborn, I just want have it.
Oh, that's what we always have to go through. See, when you go on a tour, it's limited time, so you gotta take what you can. And white people littering, thou shalt not litter.
What is
Yeah, thank you. Adrian was stealing guavas from here earlier. I reported him, you guys. I told him you were stealing guava from there. I had to report him. No, you didn't pay for that. You paid for rum.
Yeah, but then
That's not part of the rum experience, is it?
Yeah, use guava for me.
Let's take pictures right there.
Watch him out, watch him out. I beg that brother.
Watch your foot. Watch your foot.
Yeah, look at him. Now we're white shoes happy.
That's what you had to do when you had white shoes on?
Alright, that's up. I'll stop a picture of it. On the porch, eh? Yeah, man. Alright, respect. One, just one more. My boy. Why not?
Thank you.
Respect. Respect. Respect, general. They're inside. So we're gonna do the rum tasting right now. Yeah. Our tour guide is a subscriber of Mark's Night Cooking. Big up yourself. Enough love. You will do the thing, right?
Yeah, she's great.
She's very good, man. She's very good. I said reviews about her.
Yeah, that's what I heard a lot about her.
Yeah. Big up, big up.
So we got some rum. We're gonna be rum tasting. I guess different ages. I don't know what's in here. Chocolate. Water. We're separated. We're separated. Start. This tastes good. The first one I didn't like so much. Good. Hold on. So this one is really good. This is blended by Joy Spencer, the first woman blender, I think. So this one is really good, and it's 8-year-old reserve. This is the last one. It says it's 12 years old. So we're gonna try this one. Very smooth. So we just tasted some of the 3 different types of reserves that they have. They have one that's 4 years old, 8 years old, and 12 years old. So that's what I just showed you guys right there. Comment below if you guys seen any of that before or tried any of them and how it tasted. I'm not a rum person, so I feel kind of tipsy actually. Not drinking any more of that.
Okay, that's what I eat. So we don't know, basically, we're gonna get barrel tomato made by Mark's Night Cooking, aka Hot Chef. You know the thing, right? I'm not gonna drink that rum.
Yeah.
Let's go.
But you should buy an 8-year one.
Oh, $4,000?
For your rum cake.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Taking a couple so you can choose from them. So this is Raja. She was our tour guide. She was amazing, funny. And then we just took pictures with them together.
Yeah, she's a supporter of Mark's Night Cooking.
Yep.
So don't vlog again, yeah?
I should tell you about my channel.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Cocktails Jamaica.
Oh, yeah.
Do you do tour guides and stuff too?
No man, so the Cocktails Jamaica is just teaching persons about different cocktails.
Okay. Oh, it's a cocktail.
Cocktail Jesus. On Instagram and the effect. So I don't know whether my boyfriend is a new person.
Okay.
So what is it?
And the person behind the scene shooting.
I like the whole concept.
Could we,
Clean images.
is it okay if we put it on the blog?
Yeah, sure. Come on, it's a short full screen.
So she has a Instagram. Is it on YouTube as well? Mm-hmm. It's called
Same name as
Yes.
Cocktails Jamaica. You guys check her out and follow her. Look at
very
that.
clean images.
Nice.
Yeah man, so he even did a curry goats cocktail.
What?
stew peas martinis.
What?
You do them on YouTube as well?
Yeah, man.
I don't make different cocktails?
Yes,
Nice,
so
nice.
he is, as I said, the team.
It doesn't clean and start from somewhere,
Yeah,
so don't consider that small.
It's true. And
Yeah. Even if you don't have that big of an audience.
Keep going. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, nice. Good record, Alyssa.
This looks
Go
good.
to your home screen, so you see the name fully. Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Perfect. So you guys check it out. Yep, Cocktails Jamaica.
If you want to make all the nice mixed drinks.
You have a good amount of.
I said curry goat. What I want to go curry goat?
Curry goat cocktail.
What?
Yes, man. Stew peas, he did a
I
jerk
can't wrap my head
pork,
around
black
the
cream.
curry goat cocktail.
Pork, and you taste in the curry.
What do you mean? What? That's crazy.
I can't wrap my head around. Oh, so is that good kind of food?
He's a bartender, he's a brand ambassador for the company.
Nice.
So, I'm so happy to meet you, sir.
I even found coming just like your whole
Your energy.
It's
Great.
Oh, thank you very much.
Come on, you do a great job. Just
Yeah, keep it up. Yeah, it's amazing.
you make the experience worthwhile as well. I love that.
But it's good. I like when friends can come and they enjoy themselves.
Yes.
Also, a lot of
Curry goat cocktail, like the song.
We're have to watch that.
just to make you want to go to the page.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he believes in using different fruits and making them into cocktails. You know, challenge.
That is unique. We don't never hear.
Never.
And then a lot of persons will be, they want to try that as well. So cocktail Jamaica.
Cocktails. The Z.
Cocktails
The Z. Yeah.
So cocktails Jamaica, check it out on YouTube. Curry goat cocktail. You know what I'm saying? And thank you very much again.
Thanks again.
Wonderful meeting.
Thank you. Yeah. Thanks again. Have a good day.
So the tour has ended. Nice tour. Love the tour guide. She did amazing. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully if you come here you get her as well. You see, it's a good look. So you feel nice, you know. I drink a bottle of water and cool off. That rum, that 8-year-old rum, you need to buy one for a fruit cake. Okay? That one you need to buy one for a fruit cake. So log back in, big up on yourself. Enough love. Then I gift shop.
What's up, Ron?
Oh, see barrel to bottle, that's all, sir.
You get shirts if you want.
$20.
That's cool, but I don't
Okay. Oh, 12-year-old. You still forget one of the 8-year-old rum, right?
Yeah.
So you don't want nothing for you?
Not really. So let's look at these. Yeah, 35.
Yeah, we need an 8-year-old 30 US with a Jamaican dollar man
But
fee.
they're small. We want a bigger one for this. This is
Yeah.
an 8-year-old. This would be like maybe.
Like 14
Can I get
US?
one for Steph?
Yeah,
I think
man.
so. So Stephanie, you see this? This is coming for you, okay?
Yeah, big up yourself, Stephanie. You know the thing. You know the vibe. Hit subscribe.
Yeah.
Steph already
Oh, here it is.
subscribe. At that 8-year-old?
Yeah. This one is
Should I
30
grab
US.
one?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Ah, grab one. That's a fruit cake.
Yeah.
So this is gonna go in my fruit cake.
This is the Joy Spencer.
Yeah, and I
Master
love the
plan.
taste. It's like a nice
So
fruit
good.
cake.
Even the 12-year one is very good. It's nice.
Rather the 8-year-old one more. Taste more fruity for the cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what else they have.
So it's a good look. And then I'm gonna get the bottle. So I'm gonna get the barrel to bottle, right? Yo, this is sick.
This is the signature one, 12-year one. Oh, that's so cute.
$11.
This is the
That's
regular
same
one.
thing?
This is the first one that we had.
Oh
I
no,
didn't like it.
no. But the hat is nice, yeah? Like, oh yeah, look out for Stephanie.
Of course, that's always there.
A water, Roger say you want. You never say you want no rum. Backside. So Roger, water you say you want. You never say you want no rum. Alright, that is it. Hold this, Alyssa, then you can go record me now when I get my custom made
Wait,
one.
hold on. I need to put this in the back.
So what we're doing right now we're getting a barrel to bottle. This only happens at the estate itself. And then I'm gonna put hand bottle by my name,
and
etc., etc., and the date. You know what I say? So this can only be done directly here at Appleton Estate. And you can't get it nowhere else in the world. So exclusive, so to speak, yeah. So big up on yourself. We'll go out there and show you what I
Fill it up more. Where do you stop?
Do I have a stop limit?
No, just leave it there. Just leave it.
Or go out there?
Half bottle.
No. Oh.
Close your camera. Turn the bottle upside down. Straight down. Straight down. Lift and then over. Right there.
What is this syrup? Is it molasses? No,
It's glue?
You're gonna go ahead and do your lip.
Hand bottled by
Depend. But
Yeah, we might see you in Open Towers one day. Yeah, I mean, I haven't been for a while.
like a chat.
Yep. Perfect, that's nice.
Oh yeah,
I'm taking video.
I have a box here. I have a box.
Oh, I was going to take a quick view of it.
No, very true. I can show you my phone or no?
I just stopped it when you were done writing. Perfect, that's beautiful.
after which you can just place it in the box.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So we got that. You got your own barrel to bottle.
I'm going to bring back the with me now.
What? Bring what?
Everything.
Yeah.
I bring back everything. So
Yeah.
that's good. Stephanie wants that. Alright, thank you very much.
It's 2 per person in a certain limit.
Huh?
2 per person in a certain
The small
limit.
one, you don't matter about the small one.
Oh, okay. Oh, what's right one?
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
What do you call it?
Huh?
Did he call you your name? Oh. I heard. Alright, so we're gonna leave now and probably try to go to a restaurant. We're not sure yet. It was a very good tour. Definitely recommend to come out here. Come.
It was a good tour that kept it. You see, one experience can mess everything.
I just blocked it up my mind.
Like, we know say I close up, but why can't give a co-worker
attitude in front of everybody.
the customers? That's not good,
Yeah,
man.
don't do that.
I'm call her out because me no play hypocrite with people, you know. That I tell you.
Yeah.
So you know, but deed me like me a bother you.
Yeah. Sure.
Turn around and take a picture.
Okay, guys. So we are in. So we're in Mandeville right now. We're going to Murray's Jerk and Chicken Hut. I think it's called. So I think it just opened recently. I seen it on one of my friends' WhatsApp status. She's like, I think she posted. She's like, oh, it's finally here. I was like, oh, interesting. So I said, let me check it out one of these days. We have a Scotia Bank. I'm a little bit confused where I am, but I think it's because I go the opposite way. Come the other end. Oh, I know where I am now. Yes, I know where I am. Oh, okay. Popeye's not this way. That's what it said. Are you going inside this plaza, maybe? Keep going.
That's the one.
Oh, maybe to go up here. And then go all the way in the back.
Germs, I'm gonna do for this.
Yeah, go turn out here and then come back out. Better Taste Bakery. Yeah, Caledonia, NX. It's an NX, Mental Heart Center. Murray's? Right there. But I think you park over here.
Turning us?
No, don't park park in there. Park right here. There's a bunch of parking right behind us.
Been on the road all day.
Yes.
Tired. Can't go play no music. Can't go make no sound because music over the copyright business. So I go jump out real soon. I go just
show you guys.
Run around our place.
So it's down on Annex, on Caledonia Road area, plus on Annex Plaza, I think it says.
Yeah. Oh, they have one, where called it? They have one place, they call it. Nice, right?
Appleton Estate.
Come from Kingston side, you know what I'm saying? Finest Jamaican jerk.
It says Appleton Estate Murray's. We just came from Appleton Estate too.
Just reaching. Alisa, when you say I lock it off. See mommy did a big baby sitter and I did.
My baby.
Yeah. Tired of now. Jamie the running. So when Jamie there? You see I go on, this style. Yeah man. I gotta log off and I'm reaching safe. It's now 9. Almost 9 to 8:45. 8:45 right now. Jamie, pause that please. 8:40. Jamir, pause that please. Yeah, 8:45 just reaching. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. You know what I say? Leave a comment what are your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on social media. Morris Time Family. That's on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, you name it. And follow my Instagram at @hot_chef. And follow the cooking channel. Morris Time Cooking. Big up our tour guide that came over today and showed enough love. You know what I say? What's her thing again? Our YouTube again?
Cocktails Jamaica.
Cocktails with a Z, Jamaica. So big her up enough love. Big up your boyfriend said speed too. And support the thing, is it? Out there. And if you see me in a public, don't be shy if you come over and say hi. You know the vibe, you see me? Hit subscribe. Man.